This is out of one of the upstairs offices or bedroom. And they're nice, light, bright rooms. Nice view, mountain. A big closet. All the bedrooms have giant walk-in closets, which is cool. Hi.
Hi.
I guess this is the master bedroom. With the view down to the pool. And that lot down there with no grass is part of it too, on the other side of this flowery trees. Nice new bathroom. All new shower stuff. I love a new bathroom. Up to the hall, downstairs. Front door, nice, a lot.
We got a bunny outside.
Is he out there still?
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
Look, it came with a bunny in the yard. Fireplace. So that room back there, honey, is the family room. This would be the dining room. I and our lovely agent, Billy Grant.
So would you guys keep your house at Long Beach or rent it out?
Probably if I had it.
Walk-in closet. I'm not even sure what this gigantic room is. It's got a walk-in closet, so I'm going to guess that it could be a bedroom, but it goes out to the garage, which is a little weird. It's got a big 3-car garage with a workbench. Woohoo! The workbenches. Oh! Sorry about that. Thank goodness for wrist straps. I need my wrist strap. Okay, so out to the pool. Use your in the bathroom? No.
There's a bunny over there.
I saw the bunny. And this lot comes with it, which would be great to pave and make a tennis and basketball court. Just a minute, Johnny. Pretty big. So, I do.